In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Docs file and give someone editing permissions. Sharing documents through Google Docs is incredibly useful, especially when collaborating with team members or friends in real time. So, let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to make this happen smoothly. Allow it to get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Docs file, head over to your favorite web browser, and type in docs.google.com. Here, you will be prompted to sign in if you haven't done so already using your Google account. This is where you'll have access to all your saved documents. Find the document you want to share and click on it to open it up. It's always good to double check that this is the correct document by giving it a quick glance once it's open to ensure it's the one you want to share. Next, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice a blue button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button. When you do, a Share with People and Groups window will appear. This window is crucial as it's where you'll set all your sharing preferences for the document. Now let's adjust the link settings to make sure the document is accessible to the right people. In the Share window, look for the General Access section. Just beneath it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options, choose anyone with the link. This choice is what makes your document accessible to anyone who gets hold of the link, eliminating any sign-in requirements for access. Once you've set your link settings, the next important step is to set the appropriate permissions for the document. Still in that share window, find the section next to where it says anyone with the link. Click on the drop-down menu there, and you'll see a list of options: viewer, commenter, and editor. If you want the people with access to your link to be able to make changes to your document, you'll want to select editor. This permission grants them the ability to edit, so it's perfect for collaborative projects where input or alterations are required from everyone involved. Finally, with your settings configured, click on the Copy Link button. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard, making it easy for you to paste it into an email, chat, or any other communication tool you're using to distribute the link. Now your document is ready to be shared with others, complete with editing permissions, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully shared a Google Docs document with editing permissions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more handy tech tips.